2020 has been a remarkable vintage for New Zealand, and no more so than in Marlborough and Gisborne. This is a Marlborough Sauvignon Blanc from Steve Bird Wines, 2020 vintage, 13% alcohol. It's got everything that you need from a wine like this. It's pungent, it's vibrant, it's intense, it's full of passion fruit and citrus. In fact, it's got that classic grapefruit peel component to it. Yeah, very good. Lovely acid line. It's really quite steely and vibrant, but there's an elegance to it as well. It's refreshing, nice dry finish, balanced and well made. What more could you ask for in a Sauvignon Blanc? Cheers.